The Haunted Brides Pool in Hong Kong is a location steeped in local folklore and eerie tales. The site, located in the Tai Po district, is known for its picturesque waterfall and serene surroundings, but it also carries a dark legend. The story goes back to the 1940s, during a time when a bride was on her way to her wedding. She was dressed in her beautiful wedding gown and traveling with her family. As they made their way through the rugged terrain near the pool, tragedy struck. The bride's family was involved in a terrible accident, and she fell into the waters of the pool, drowning on what was supposed to be one of the happiest days of her life. Since that fateful day, locals claim to have seen the ghost of the bride wandering near the pool, dressed in her wedding gown. It's said that she appears on rainy nights, her spirit searching for her lost family and her unfulfilled wedding. Visitors to the site often report feelings of unease, sudden drops in temperature, and strange sounds echoing through the area. The tale of the haunted. Bride's Pool has become a part of Hong Kong's cultural narrative, attracting both thrill seekers and paranormal enthusiasts. Despite its beauty, the location serves as a reminder of the tragic tale of love and loss, and it has inspired numerous ghost stories and urban legends. The site is often visited by those curious about the supernatural, and it has become a popular spot for ghost tours. Whether the stories are based on fact or legend, the Haunted Brides Pool remains a hauntingly beautiful yet eerie destination in Hong Kong.